Get a feel for the 2023 Nissan Armada. Get into this upscale Armada and let the adventure begin. From its spacious cabin that seats 8 in refined comfort, to its standard driver assist safety tech, to its massive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive, this commanding SUV gives you the confidence to take on whatever the journey has in store. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, woodgrain interior trim, remote engine start. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.